Hey Siri,
Yes?
can you call my animoji?
I don't see an animoji in your contacts. Who would you like to call?
Jessie Moji.
Calling Jessie Intac. Mobile.
No Siri, no. Hey Siri, can an animoji bake?
I'm listening.
Hi guys, today I will be taking over Jessie's vlog. Is that okay with you? Okay, let's start. Hey, are you okay? No, not like that. Hey guys, are you okay? My name is Jessie Moji and I am your baking animoji. Have you tried that Leche Flan recipe? Did you know that you can make it extra special and even tastier? This is a cheesecake and this is a Leche Flan. And for today, we will be making a Cheesecake Flan. But wait, can I ask a favor? If I clap, you clap. Is that okay? Let's start. In every procedure, first, prepare all your materials and ingredients. Don't forget to preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Melt 1/2 cup of white sugar over medium heat and transfer it to your mold. Mix. And mix. Then mix. Mix. And mix. Then mix. And then mix. And transfer to your mold. Cover it with aluminum foil. Now, bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes in a water bath. And that's all for today. Thank you for baking with me and I hope that you enjoyed our video. Guys, can I ask a favor? Can you tap that subscribe button there? please. Okay, bye. See you next time.